Could I get that without onions?
Sure, no onions.
Can you make it extra spicy?
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry, I think you gave me the wrong order.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me check. I see the problem. I'll fix it right away.
Hi, can I pay with my student card too?
Yes, that's fine.
How much is the combo meal?
It's $7.
That's fine.
Hi everyone, welcome to FluentBit English. Today I'm at the campus cafeteria. I'm going to order some food and practice real-life English with you. Many students eat at the cafeteria between classes. I often come here when I'm hungry. In this lesson, you will learn useful English for ordering food, asking questions, and paying for your meal. You will hear simple conversations that American students use every day. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Practice a little every day and your English will improve. Okay, I'm hungry now. Let's go inside the cafeteria and order some food together.
1 taco, please.
This looks so good.
Right, I'm starving.
The line is so long today.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and fries?
Sure, one moment, please.
This place smells really good.
Next, please.
I am very hungry today.
What would you like to drink?
I've been craving tacos all day.
Tacos are popular today.
I like this cafeteria.
Thank you.
Can I have the chicken sandwich combo?
Yes, of course.
What comes with the meal?
Fries and a drink.
I'll take a medium drink, please.
Okay, here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Have a good one. Could I get that without onions?
Sure, no onions.
Can you make it extra spicy?
Yeah, no problem.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yeah, we do.
What do you recommend?
Our fajita salad is pretty popular.
Okay, I'll just have a salad today.
Sounds good.
Can I add extra cheese?
Sure, you can.
I love spicy food.
A lot of students do.
I'm really hungry today.
Your order should be ready soon.
Awesome, thanks.
You're welcome.
I'll wait over here.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
What's the soup of the day?
Today we have tomato soup.
That sounds good.
It's one of our most popular soups.
I'll take the pasta special.
Great choice.
Can I get this to go?
Sure, no problem.
Is the refill free?
Yes, free refills are included.
Nice. Could I get a bottle of water too?
Of course.
I'm trying to eat something light today.
The pasta is a good option.
Okay, I think I'll go with that.
Sounds good.
I really like pasta.
You're not alone. A lot of students order it.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Can I pay with my student card?
Yes, you can.
Can I pay with my student card?
Yes, you can.
Do you guys accept Apple Pay?
Yep, we do.
Great. How much is the combo meal?
It's $7.
I'm trying to save money, so I'll get something cheap.
That's a good idea.
Also, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Thanks for letting us know.
No problem. I'll pay now.
Okay, just tap your card right here.
Done.
Perfect, thank you.
That was easy.
We try to make it quick.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I think you gave me the wrong order.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me check.
Thanks. Can I get another fork, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
This smells really good.
I'm glad you like it.
I was really looking forward to this meal.
I'll make sure everything is correct.
Thanks. I'm pretty hungry.
It should be ready in just a minute.
Okay, that sounds good.
Here is your correct order.
Perfect. I feel better now.
Great.
I really like this place.
We're happy to hear that.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
This smells really good.
Thanks. Everything is made fresh today.
I've been craving tacos all day.
You're in luck. Our tacos are really popular.
That's great. I'm very hungry.
Then you've come to the right place.
This looks amazing.
I'm glad you think so.
I'm glad you think so.
I can't wait to eat.
Here you go. Everything looks perfect.
Enjoy.
Food always makes me happy.
I know exactly what you mean.
A good meal can make my day.
That's true.
I'm really going to enjoy this.
Have a great meal.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Hey, do you want anything to drink?
No thanks, I'm okay.
I'll take a medium drink, please.
Good choice.
The line is so long today.
Yeah, it's really busy right now.
I'll grab a seat while you order.
Sounds good.
I'm tired after class.
Me too. It's been a long day.
Food always helps.
It definitely does.
I like taking a break here.
Same. It's a nice place to relax.
Let's sit down and enjoy our lunch.
Good idea.
It's a good day so far.
Yeah, it really is.
Thanks for talking with me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, nice. I'll just have a salad today.
Good choice.
Can I add extra cheese?
Sure, no problem.
I want something light for lunch.
A salad is a great option.
I'm trying to save money too.
That's always a good idea.
How much is this salad?
It's one of our cheaper meals.
Nice. I like healthy food.
A lot of students do. I hear that a lot.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your lunch.
Hi. Do you guys accept Apple Pay?
Yes, we do.
Great. Can I pay with my student card too?
Yes, that's fine.
How much is the combo meal?
It's $7.
That's fine.
Just tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Thank you.
I'm trying to save money this semester.
That's a good idea.
Everything is so easy here.
We try to make it simple.
I really like this cafeteria.
Thanks. We're glad to hear that.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you. Thanks. Have a good one.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Let's eat before our next class starts.
Good idea.
I'm full now.
That's great.
The food was really good today.
I'm happy to hear that.
I like this place.
Thanks. Come back anytime.
I definitely will.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Good food, good day.
I couldn't agree more.
I'm happy.
Me too.
Let's go.
Have a nice day.
Now, repeat after me. Listen carefully. Then say the sentence out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak and have fun. Ready? Let's begin. Repeat after me.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and fries? Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and fries? Can I have the chicken sandwich combo? Can I have the chicken sandwich combo? Could I get that without onions? Could I get that without onions?
Can you make it extra spicy? Can you make it extra spicy? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? Can I add extra cheese? Can I add extra cheese?
What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? How much is the combo meal? How much is the combo meal? Can I pay with my student card? Can I pay with my student card? Do you guys accept Apple Pay? Do you guys accept Apple Pay? Sorry, I think you gave me the wrong order. Sorry, I think you gave me the wrong order. Could I get a bottle of water, too? Could I get a bottle of water, too?
This smells really good. This smells really good. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Great job today. Thank you for practicing English with me. I hope you learned some useful cafeteria English. Keep practicing a little every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more English conversations. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
This place is always so packed.
Yeah, but the food is worth it.
Totally, let's grab a table.